Haru, haru, haru. Okonomiyaki kami, guys. Oh. Ayan yung okonomiyaki namin, guys. Ayan. Sarap, diba? And then, yakisoba, guys. Japanese yakisoba, guys. Oh, ayan na, guys. Ayan. And then, nakalahati na ako, guys. Super yummy, yummy, guys. Ito yung sauce ng yakisoba namin, guys. Homemade. Gawa namin. Ayan, guys. Okay, maghahalo na ako, guys, ha. Wait, guys, ha. Jembu. All. Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, ayan na. Ang aming yakisoba. Yakisoba. Ang aming yakisoba. Yakisoba. Sarap, guys. Yakisoba tayo, guys. Okonomiyaki yakisoba, guys. So yummy. So much yummy. Oh, nahalo na, nahalo na. Ayan. Minasa ng minasa. Masa-masa, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. Namasa-masa na, guys. Ayan, parang semento gimasa, guys. Hindi yan semento, guys, ha. Yakisoba ng Japanese, guys. Japanese yakisoba, guys. Ayan, guys. It's ready. Kain-kain tayo, guys. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Ito yung pang finished product natin ng yakisoba, guys. Ayan, yung gumagalaw na ano, guys, na parang ewan. Ayan. Katsubushi yan, guys, ha. Ayan, kain na tayo. Dali-dali na. Babi. Ayan, guys. Yakisoba, guys. Oh, the moment of truth. Kung masarap ba, let's taste it. Sarap, guys.
Galing ito.
Kanamit gid, kanamit gid. Kanamit gid. Ayan, sarap, guys, oh. Sarap. Yun ang ating okonomiyaki, guys, oh. Oh. Wala mo na tayong diet ngayon, ha. Sarap, sarap. And then, inom tayo ng tsa. Ayan. Sarap. Thank you for watching.